Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question number 47. Question number 47 says one major function of the authority of heads of states and governments of Ecowas is dash. One major function of the authority of heads of states and government of Ecowas is dash. Now, what this question is asking us of the function of authority of heads of states. So this is one of the organ of the ECOWAS, one of the organ of ECOWAS. Now, what is the major function of this organ called authority of heads of states? Now, authority of head of state is made up by presidents of countries. So take note of that. Made up of presidents of countries. So option A says appointing staff of the secretariat. B, appointing the executive secretary. C, preparing the budget of the community. D, organizing international conferences. So the major function of this organ called authority of heads of state is appointing the executive secretary. Appointment of executive secretary, and this is option B. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.